Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Carlos, and for today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these cool looking yarn tassels. The materials you'll need are white yarn, white embroidery thread, but if you don't have any you can just use the yarn, watercolor paints, a foam plate, some scissors, water, and a comb. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get your embroidery thread and cut at least 8 inches of it. Next, grab your yarn, and you're gonna use 4 fingers for this part because you're gonna be wrapping your 4 fingers with yarn. You're gonna do it like this, and you're gonna be wrapping it around 10 times. Next, you're gonna try to get the piece of embroidery thread that you cut and put it here in the middle. Just like that. And you're gonna try to do your best and slide the whole yarn together. And you're gonna tie this up. Next, you're going to be cutting the ends of these loops. Then with the comb, you're going to be combing the strings until they are all separated. You're then gonna pull one of the separated strings out, and you'll be using this later on. You're then gonna be pulling one of the separated strings out. Because we're gonna begin dyeing it. So you're gonna want to grab your foam plate and your choice of watercolor paints, which I'm gonna be using red and blue for this. Next, you're just gonna want to get your tassel and just dip it in the water and just play around with it. Mix the colors, do whatever you want. You're then going to squeeze out the water, and with the little string that you pulled out from earlier, you're going to tie it near the top. Once you are done, the colors may get lighter when you squeeze it. You're going to want to cut off parts of the bottom, that way you don't have any small strings sticking out. Then you're going to leave it out to dry outside, and so it should look something like this, with the colors that you chose, obviously. And it should look kind of fluffy. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me making these really cool looking tassels. I will be using them in a future video, so keep on the lookout for that. And leave a like on this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.